So if you look at these letters, maybe you think, how cool, I understand these letters, I know Russian alphabet. But in reality, guys who already learned Russian alphabet, who started reading Russian, understand what I mean. And today we will speak about your false friends that you think will help you, but no. Unfortunately, in Russian we pronounce these letters completely different and they can make you some problems. Letter E. Like we pronounce in the word yes in English. Место or семь, like семь. Ветер. Okay, next letter is U, like in the word moon, soon, like luna in Russian. The letter V, like ветер, вода, вино. The letter N. My name starts with this letter, N. This is not H, not H, not H. This is N. Like Настя, my name, or Нос. Она. Next letter is R, more like Spanish, R. Рука, or река. Letter S, like сон or сумка. Х. Хорошо. Хоккей. So, how do you think how the person who doesn't know the Russian alphabet would read this word? I will read it like ресторан. Here you can see a lot of letters that look absolutely different from the ones that we have in Russian. Practice these letters and be sure that you will not mash them. You can book a Russian language class with me. All the links in description to this video. I wanna invite you to my Telegram channel. There I plan to post some audios. You could practice your listening skills. Have a nice day. See you soon.